Oppo Reno 12 Pro unboxing. In box we get a back case and a 80-watt fast charger. Now let's unwrap this smartphone. It is a silver magic purple color variant. It looks beautiful in hand and has a shiny back with rectangular camera design. The Reno 12 Pro has a 7.6 mm thickness and weighs 183 grams. It features an IP65 rating for dust and water protection. Reno 12 Pro has a 50 megapixel Sony IMX890 main sensor alongside 50 megapixel telephoto cameras with up to 20x digital zoom and 8 megapixel ultra-wide-angle shooters. It has a 50 megapixel front camera for selfies. There is not much difference between both smartphones. It runs on ColorOS 14, is based on Android 14 software, and it comes with 12 GB of RAM with 256 GB of inbuilt storage. For usage 5000 mAh battery. Reno 12 Pro has a curved display which looks good and a 6.7-inch AMOLED screen with 120 Hz refresh rate, in-display fingerprint sensor and Gorilla Glass Victas 2 for protection. The Oppo Reno 12 Pro priced 39,000 rupees approx for the 12 GB plus 256 GB variant.